Jesus, Valerie. Hey! Oh, fight damn! This fat ass got shit on. He's so fat that he can't fight. Alright. Let's give them a treat. And let's see how they fight for the food. They can't really eat much of these because like it's really bad for their health. Oh, okay. Who wants a treat? Fight for it. Fight for it. Oh, this is the big dog. Oh, she almost got it. Oh. Oh. Oh, he's barking for that food. Oh. Oh, she's so happy. Fetch. Oh, fight. She got it. Okay. So yeah, guys, I didn't know what to do. So it's been a while. I haven't posted a YouTube. So this is kind of a vlog how my dogs are so fat and they fight for food. Come on. Who wants this one? Oh. Oh. Come on, Marshmallow. Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay, who wants this? Oh. Who got it? Oh, both of them. So yeah. I didn't know what to do, so I just started vlogging. My sister's in the car. This is all our cars. Oh! So yeah, that's all our cars. Okay, you guys want it? Come on, Marshmallow. Oh! Oh! You want it? Run for it. Yo, she always be getting the food. You gotta share with your sons. So yeah, you guys didn't notice that's the mom of them. See? Like, let me show them to you guys. See? Then, see? You could see that face of her, and then with them, they look alike. Oh! Fine for the food. See? See, you could see like their ears are like the same. See? You guys can see that. See? Not that one very much. That one does. See? See, you saw that and that? Oh, she almost bit my finger. So, yeah. So, I didn't know what to do. So, like, I just started vlogging and stuff. Who wants another treat? Oh! You want a Marshmallow? By the way, the name is Marshmallow, Brownie, Princess, and Snowy. Oh! 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 Fetch! Oh! For the win! Okay. Oh! I dropped that. Come on, Marshmallow, eat, Marshmallow. Okay, so that's gonna be the end of the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.